If you guys want to clean your glasses with more than just a rag, I got the perfect thing for you right here. It is the premium microfiber cloth set. This is actually a 6-pack and they are 6 inches by 7 inches. That's the size of the actual cloths. Let me see here. We got MagicFiber is an ultra gentle cloth made of extremely fine microfibers that leaves 0 scratches, no streaks, no marks, safe for all delicate surfaces. And I definitely recommend this right here. It is a good buy on Amazon. And I like the fact that it came with 6. That way my wife could have some at her nightstand. I got some in my nightstand. I could have them at my desk. And then also I could have some at work. So let's look at this before we open up here. Okay, so it's ideal for cleaning eyeglasses. That's what I got it for. But you could use it for tablets, smartphones, GPS devices, anything with a touchscreen basically. Camera lenses, that's also, I'm going to use it for my cameras. Care instructions, hand wash only in warm water. We have no detergents, and then air dry only. Okay, so let's open these up, take a look at them. Okay, it looks like they are individually wrapped like so. And you guys can see that one of them is a different color. The rest look like a kind of like a navy blue to black, maybe a dark gray. But you guys can see this one's definitely light gray. Don't tell my wife, but I'm gonna keep this one. I'm probably gonna give her, one of these other ones. And let's go ahead and open up this one. Let's see, anything? No, it has the same instructions on the regular bag. I do like how they're individually wrapped. So I guess you could give these out to people from the office maybe. And then, so this is it. And you guys, this feels nice. Okay, I like it. It's nice and thick, feels great. We got the MagicFiber. Okay, and I do have my lens cleaner here. Let's take a quick spray. We're gonna put this to the test here. And I like the fact that, it's not gonna leave anything, like if you guys use any tissue or any of that stuff, it's gonna leave it all over your glasses. You guys know what I'm talking about. You can't use regular tissue because you're gonna have little specks everywhere on your glasses. But if you guys use this microfiber cloth, you guys are gonna be good to go. And it's cleaning like a champ. I'll show you guys in a second, but you guys, it's nice and crystal clear. I don't know if you guys could see that well, but you guys, I definitely recommend getting these microfiber cloths. They are inexpensive. You get 6 of them. You can't ask for anything more. I mean, that's a great price.